Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can how you can do a broadcast on the Telegram chatbot. So simply log into the account and then select the Telegram bot. Go to Telegram automation, click on broadcast, then click on create broadcast. Give the name to the broadcast and select the flow that you want to the configure here. After that, the last option is to select the option of groups, and whichever group you want to broadcast flow into, you can select that from here, and then you can select when to send, right now or later. And once you are done with this configuration, last option is clicked on create broadcast. Once you are done, broadcast added successfully. Over here you will be able to see whether the broadcast is successful or how many contacts has been sent and how many it is failed. So you can see that from here, and this is how the broadcasting is done in the Telegram chatbot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.